also helped open up your other senses. Meow.
It's my show, but I'm never there. It's my...
So I don't let the intellectual aspect of it drive me into insanity where you end up, because a lot of great minds end up deluded, have schizophrenia, end up into psychosis. So I use
Richards.
Oh, well, I like Jeff. I think he's great. He's a nice guy. He's really funny, does funny voices. And, you know,
Jeff does some of the best impressions I've ever seen, and he also does amazing characters. And I don't think I've seen him do a stand-up set since we worked in Brea.
Oh, it's outstanding.
I'll have to get some because I love fragrance.
College in Montana, and then you know.
Well, as it was my,
you know, I know Cheddar Bay business.
Well, you're somebody who
known dealing with
strong. I think he's stronger than John State about Eddie.
extrasensory perception. I got into composing and arranging and
You ready to?
I have no idea. Boy, killing it, boy, killing it.